Hello, namaste, welcome everyone. This is Charvi. Me and my co host Smriti welcome you all to our Pride Month special edition. Today, we are honored to be joined by two incredible women whose work speaks volumes about creativity, resilience, and social impact. So, our first guest is Falguni Joshi, the visionary founder of Karmar Crafts, a remarkable social enterprise empowering rural women and artisans. So, through skill development and product innovation, she is building sustainable livelihood opportunities. Joining her is Madhubala, the co founder of Karmar Crafts, a gifted graphic designer, video editor, and passionate storyteller. With a deep eye for the authentic and unfiltered, Madhubala captures the raw beauty of human stories through her lens, bringing voices from the margins to the forefront.
Previously on our podcast. So, we took a stroll down memory lane, chatting about your childhood, the hurdles you faced, and your personal workspace experiences.
Question came to my mind, and this is for you, Falguni. Tell me,
Huh.
do you think that within the community also there is not enough recognition of saying lesbians within the LGBTQI community? Is it that, or do you think that you are completely seen within the community as well?
I don't know if it's true or not, but from my experience, I would say that lesbian community, the representation is quite less because there are women out there who are still living in the closet, who are being forced to get married to a man. And there are women out there who are out, but they are still not open to having that community with them, and they are still scared of the society. But again, I cannot say from their perspective. Yes, it is saturated, but it is not that bad. From my generation, I would say I think there's not that many women who are open about their sexuality. But when I look at the Gen Z, is it? I think Gen Z,
yeah.
है ना अभी?
Yeah.
So Gen Zs में there are so many women who are more comfortable and they are more
Open.
open. Yeah, open. I don't know whether I should say brave or not, but I mean it's not brave coming out. I mean that is
Yeah.
it should not be a celebration और ऐसे कोई tag नहीं होना चाहिए वैसे तो. But yeah, with the younger generation rather I would say कि
And
उनमें काफी है.
So I think the same thing goes for, I mean, within the community. I think the same kind of struggle, I feel, I might be wrong, but you can enlighten me, would be for trans community as well, within the community. They would be struggling a
Certainly.
lot. ये तो देखकर मतलब we can tell you that they are struggling a lot. They
Yeah,
have to.
certainly, because transitioning from one gender to the other is not easy. People think, लोग आजकल बहुत बोलते हैं कि इनका तो क्या है कि आज लड़की है और कल उठ के बोल देंगे मैं लड़का हूँ, और फिर बोल देंगे हम तो ट्रांस मैन है, या आज लड़का है और लड़कियों के साथ रहना है तुम्हें तो तुम बोल दोगे ट्रांस वुमन हो, और तुम्हारा तो क्या है कि कुछ भी आए दिन कुछ ना कुछ तुम्हारा बदलता रहता है, and all of that. And I'm like, no honey, no, that is not how it works. That is not how it works. इसका पूरा एक प्रोसेस होता है. You have to go through so many psychological struggles, so many physical struggles to be actually who you are, because that is not who they are. They are the, I would say, the right person in wrong body. Do you know what I mean? But
yeah.
the right person has to go to the right body, right?
Yeah.
ये चीज लोगों को नहीं समझ आती, और आजकल बहुत बखेड़ा करते हैं जब भी whenever there is an issue related to trans rights and trans people. बहुत ज्यादा होता है कि इनका तो क्या है, इनको तो डाल दो, थर्ड जेंडर में डाल दो. No honey, third gender is different, trans people are different. You cannot insult them, you cannot ignore their existence. They exist and they want to exist, they deserve to exist. बहुत स्ट्रगल्स होता है, साइकोलॉजिकल, फिजिकल, इमोशनल, फाइनेंशियल, every single thing. सबको लगता है बहुत आसान है, बहुत सस्ता काम है. No,
Absolutely.
you don't know their shit. Then who the fuck are you? Who gave you that platform, that right to ask this question to people who only just want to be themselves? Who the fuck are you? Emotional हो गई.
आई थिंक एक गलत रिप्रेजेंटेशन और एक गलत तरह से ट्रीटमेंट तो बहुत यूनिवर्सल है फॉर द कम्युनिटी इन जनरल, बिकॉज इफ यू
Yeah,
लुक
yeah.
एट इट मतलब सो फ्रेंड ऑफ माइन हु इज ऑल्सो you know a bisexual, he was telling me that it's not like since I'm bisexual so it would be like 50-50, I like men and or women. It's not like there is a percentage of liking towards a certain gender as well.
Yeah,
So
yeah,
is that
yeah.
true?
Yeah, it is true. ये जरूरी नहीं है यार. Like bisexuality is that you are certain about the opposite sex, that you like them, right? But you also like the same sex as well, right? We've all grown up in a certain way. तो कभी कभी होता है कि yeah, for women, yes, they are bisexual, but they feel more comfortable with a man. Some women are out there who feel more comfortable with a woman. Um, Same goes for men as well. They are more comfortable with a man, or they're more comfortable with a woman. And yeah, I mean, there's a certain percentage, but that does not negate the fact that they're bisexual or not. So
Yeah.
yeah, it's true. There's a
Yeah.
percentage liking as well.
Yeah,
And
but
it's
smallest of things, that makes me think that they are smallest of things that we do not know about, and probably we don't
yeah,
even intend
yeah,
to know. That's the saddest part. Yeah,
And I guess
yeah,
there is also a cliche कि मतलब अगर एक लड़की lesbian है तो she'll be very tomboyish, and अगर लड़का gay है तो then he'll be very effeminate, which is not true.
no. अब जैसे I can't say about other women, I can say about myself. मैं चलती एकदम खली की तरह हूँ, पर I'm a very femme woman. और काफी ऐसी है, there are tomboyish women out there as well, butch women are out there, but जरूरी नहीं कि सारे के सारे मेरी तरह ही खली की तरह चलेंगे, ऐसा नहीं है. There are femme women out there, and same
Yeah,
goes
yeah,
for men as well.
yeah.
कि just because a man is gay doesn't mean कि वो एकदम ऐसे हमेशा catwalk ही करे. There is a very wrong idea of both lesbian and gay people out there.
yeah.
How we live, how we live. तुमको क्या करना? Why do you care? हम
Exactly.
चले उड़े, तुमको क्या? मैं घूमूं फिरूं नाचूं.
नाचू गाओ.
अचानक अनुपमा याद आ गई.
And I
My
guess
mom would be
there are-
happy to hear this plug-in. What do you think would be like? ऐसे तो बहुत लोग हैं जो woke बनने के लिए बोलते हैं क्योंकि I understand and all of that. But according to you, who do you think would be a true ally to, the lesbian community and the LGBTQI community in general?
अगर आप मेरे अकॉर्डिंग अगर आप समझ नहीं पा रहे, आप लोगों को नहीं समझ पा रहे, उनका फीलिंग, उनका सेक्सुअल प्रेफरेंस नहीं समझ पा रहे, द लीस्ट यू कैन डू इज रिस्पेक्ट देयर डिसीजन और देम.
Let them be.
जो भी वो कर रहे हैं, मतलब दिस इज मतलब बेसिक थिंग यू कैन डू, नॉट फॉर द कम्युनिटी, और मतलब किसी के साथ भी हो. आप अगर कोई अपनी लाइफ जीना चाहता है जैसे जी रहा है, जस्ट बी रिस्पेक्टफुल. अगर आपकी लाइफ में कोई इंटरवीन नहीं कर रहा है, डू नॉट इंटरवीन इन अदर्स लाइफ. जब तक आपको कोई बोले नहीं, अरे आई नीड दिस फेवर और आई नीड दिस हेल्प, जस्ट रिस्पेक्ट देम. और बाकी अगर समझना चाहते हो, यू आर मोस्ट वेलकम. इफ यू हैव एन ओपन माइंड, वी आर लाइक रेडी कि आपको कुछ पूछना है. अगर आप सच में चाहते हो, रिस्पेक्टफुली पूछोगे तो हम रिस्पेक्टफुली आंसर देंगे, वरना तो ऑब्वियसली वी डोंट केयर.
rightfully so.
Falguni.
Yeah. इसने एक बात बोली कि अगर आप जानना चाहते हो, यू आर मोर देन वेलकम, आस्क अस क्वेश्चंस, वी आर हैप्पी टू आंसर, बट चूज योर क्वेश्चंस वेरी केयरफुली। अगर तुम आके ये सवाल पूछो कि अच्छा तो तुम सेक्स कैसे करते हो, नो, वी आर नॉट गोइंग टू टेल यू दैट।
I literally had this question. मुझसे
मेरे
किसी ने
साथ भी
सच
हुआ
में पूछा है ये, अरे होता कैसे है सब? तो मैंने पूछा, मैंने बोला तुम कैसे करते हो?
मैं हमेशा यही बोलती हूँ, डूड तूने लेस्बियन पॉर्न देखा है? तो सब शर्माते हैं पहले तो, फिर मैं बोलती आई नो यू वॉच्ड इट, बिल्कुल वैसा नहीं होता।
Oh my
वैसा
God.
बिल्कुल नहीं होता, तो प्लीज डू नॉट एक्सपेक्ट कि तुमको आके हम जवाब देंगे।
And I guess in that sense, like, straight people, like, target like gay people a lot in different, ways and platforms. Like now that we have so many apps as well.
Yeah.
So have you had any such incidents happen in your life, or do you know somebody जिसके साथ ऐसा कुछ हुआ हो?
मतलब पहले तो लोग तब भी इतना ओपनली नहीं, एक प्रोफाइल हो। मतलब जब ये ऐप स्टार्ट हुआ ना, तो एक बात तो पहले क्लियर कर दूं कि कुछ भी ना जेन्युइन एप्स नहीं है कम्युनिटी के लिए।
या
व्हेन फॉर एग्जांपल एक ऐप स्टार्ट हुई थी, हर आई थी नई नई, फॉरेन के ऐप है वो। तो विद इन फ्यू मंथ्स उसमें सारे लौंडे आ गए लड़की बन के, कि जस्ट लड़कियों से चैट करने को मिलेगा, लेस्बियन
Men,
लड़कियों
I
से
tell
chat
you.
करने को मिलेगा।
या
Why am I not surprised?
या सो ऐसे ही अर्लियर इट वाज नॉट लाइक, अब नहीं बता पाते थे। नाउ अभी थोड़ा ओपन हुए हैं लोग और सब तो, बट अब आप देखोगे कि बहुत सारे अब ओपनली कपल्स जो अप्रोच करते हैं,
ऐसे
करते
बहुत
हैं।
यार, अलग ही पता नहीं कहाँ से, कौन से खेत से उग के आते हैं ऐसे लोग। तुमको अपनी शादी में स्पाइस चाहिए तो यू वांट टू एक्सपेरिमेंट विद आवर लव लाइव्स, विद आवर इमोशंस एंड विद आवर बॉडी। कौन भैया तुम? हम खुद ही कर लेते हैं हमारे साथ। व्हाई द फक वुड वी वांट यू गाइस टू डू दैट टू अस? नहीं कहाँ से आते हैं ये कपल्स की, oh we are looking for someone who can spice up our relationship। तो तू मिर्ची डाल ले बहन, काय को पूछ रही है? कि ये तुमको हम ही मिलते हैं क्या? एंड देन देयर आर मेन, मेन कुछ लोग तो कुछ ऐसे आते हैं कि दे टारगेट gay people out, gay men out there, they'll lure them with all those lovey-dovey things ki, oh let's meet and I like you so much, and everybody is vulnerable when it comes to love. Everybody wants someone in their life, right? And they'll be like, oh let's meet and do we'll go there and we'll do this, let's go for a trip and all of that. And these men, horrible men, they should not even be labeled as human. They will either abuse them, exploit them, blackmail them, and hurt them in whichever way they think that they can. And it's not just men, okay? There are women out there as well who do that to men, to gay men, and to lesbians as well, to women as well, non-binary people as well. And I'm not just talking about the two genders here. There are people out there who are, willingly getting on those apps, pretending to be someone else, trying to target us and come out of our zones and meet them in their zone and ruin our lives. अब ना ये बहुत ज्यादा हो गया है। अब लोगों में थोड़ी सी अक्ल आ जाए तो ज्यादा बेहतर है। जैसे मारवाड़ी में एक कहावत है, अक्ल बादाम खाने से नहीं आती, भचीड़े खाने से आती है। थोड़े भचीड़े उनको भी मिले तो हमें भी अच्छा लगेगा ना। तो it is very important for people to go through their bachidas and realize that we are humans.
So that again pops up a question in my head that what is the most derogatory or discriminatory thing that you've ever heard?
I was in a relationship and I told my friend that, I'm in a relationship. And a few months later, I told my friend that, she and I we broke up. So she said, ये तो तुम्हारे चलता रहता है, कोई लेस्बियन रिलेशनशिप्स नॉर्मल रिलेशनशिप्स की तरह तो है नहीं। उनका 1 मिनट, ऐसे कैसे नॉर्मल नहीं है? हम क्या फेरी गॉड पेरेंट्स है? क्या हम क्या भूत है जो हम नॉर्मल नहीं है, जो हमारे रिलेशनशिप्स नॉर्मल नहीं है? तो it took me like I took like good 1 to 2 hours उसको सुनाने के लिए कि जितने मेरे पास सार्केज्म थे मैंने सब सुनाए उसको कि बहन तुम ये जो बकवास कर रहे हो ना कि like you LGBTQI people don't have normal relationships, इनका तो टाइम पास है, it's just a phase। honey, नहीं, फेज ना सिर्फ और सिर्फ इलेक्ट्रिसिटी का होता है और मेंस क्रिकेट टीम का होता है, हमारा नहीं।
That was a good one.
gosh.
सिंपल।
What about you, Madhubala?
Yeah.
सबका
Correct.
सेम बात है, आएंगे रिलेशनशिप में, ब्रेकअप होगा, दिल टूटेगा या
We'll get
लाइफ
cheated on,
बिताएंगे।
we'll
True.
get cheated on।
Yeah.
हमारे बारे में भी झूठी खबरें फैलती है कि किमची राइस के साथ मैं पापड़ खाती हूँ। नहीं, मैं बस ये कह रही थी कि हाँ, मतलब ऐसी बातें बहुत फैलती, तुम्हारी पर्सनल इंफॉर्मेशन फैल जाएगी, उस सेंस में कह रही थी। मुझे ये नहीं बोलना था कि मेरा नंबर अक्की दुनिया के पास है, मुझे ये नहीं बोलना था।
True. I get it. एंड ऑल्सो आई थिंक मूवीज भी ना इसमें बहुत कंट्रीब्यूट करते हैं। वैसे ज्यादातर मूवीज अभी भी मतलब रिप्रेजेंटेशन तो बहुत आ गया है, स्टिल बहुत हद तक हम एक्टिविज्म वाले पार्ट पे फोकस कर रहे हैं अभी भी। सो एंड शिट्स क्रीक प्रॉबली, हमको तो पता नहीं, आई थिंक दैट्स द ओनली वेब सीरीज और एंटरटेनमेंट थिंग दैट आई
Yeah,
कम अक्रॉस
yeah,
जिसमें इतना नॉर्मल करके दिखाया है, एंड
yeah,
इट
yeah,
जस्ट फेल्ट सो नॉर्मल, इट जस्ट brought it out in a very normal light, which was very rare.
yeah,
अभी तक ऐसा मैंने
yeah.
कुछ नहीं देखा था. So that is also, so that again brings me to my next question. What is there any movie or any web series or anything that you think has represented your community like near perfection or up to a certain level in a right way?
Margarita with a straw?
Oh,
Is it that?
yeah.
Is it?
Yeah.
That's the
Yeah.
name of the movie.
Yeah, yeah. Kalki,
Margarita
Kalki.
The Kalki, yes,
Yeah.
yes, Kalki, however you pronounce their name. I liked that movie a lot. I mean, there was so much involved in that, so many emotions, and there was physical touch, there was emotional touch, and I feel like I liked that movie.
आई थिंक जो मूवीज हमने सबसे पहले एक्चुअली में जो देखी थी ना, वो थी फायर।
Yeah.
Which one? I didn't hear you.
फायर जिसमें
Nandita Das.
शबाना आजमी एंड नंदिता
Nandita
दास।
Das. Okay, okay.
Yeah, it was a very beautiful story. It was not like a proper relationship. It focused on more like emotional availability or attraction between two women, and like how they understand how lonely they are actually in their
Yeah.
marriage life. So it was a very beautiful representation, and how they ended up together at the end. The end was happy and sad. Like it was not a very happy ending, but yeah, कि अब आगे का क्या वो सब figure out करेंगे अब. So this was the first movie which I actually liked because ये गर्लफ्रेंड और ये पता नहीं क्या क्या मूवीज, घटिया मूवीज आई हैं. आई एम हैप्पी टू सी कि वेब सीरीज में भी बहुत अच्छा रिप्रेजेंटेशन हो रहा है. बहुत सारे करेक्टर्स, ऑल जेंडर करेक्टर्स हाईलाइट होते हैं. इवन द सीरीज मिसमैच, इसमें ट्रांस मैन का करेक्टर दिखाया है, बहुत अच्छा पोर्ट्रे किया गया है. एंड जिन्होंने रिथ ने जो कैरेक्टर प्ले किया है बहुत ब्यूटीफुली प्ले किया है, बहुत ज्यादा. एंड लाइक बधाई दो, जिसमें गे एंड लेस्बियन थैंकफुली उन्होंने राजकुमार राव को फेमिनिन नहीं दिखाया. आई एम वेरी हैप्पी फॉर दैट.
Yes.
ठीक है, वो एक पुलिस वाला दिखाया है एंड प्रॉपर हरियाणवी एक्सेंट एंड ऑल, बट बहुत बहुत ब्यूटीफुली लव स्टोरी दिखाई है उन्होंने. इवन भूमियन जो उनका लव इंटरेस्ट होता है उसमें भी बहुत अच्छे विद सॉन्ग्स एंड ऑल. तो धीरे धीरे चेंज आ रहा है. मैंने बोला ना, कुछ अच्छे स्टोरी राइटर्स डायरेक्टर्स आ गए हैं जो थोड़ा ढंग का फोकस कर रहे हैं, बॉलीवुड को थोड़ा अच्छा बना रहे हैं. सो लेट्स होप फॉर द बेस्ट. आगे अच्छा होता रहे.
I think Made in Heaven, I think, is it Made in Heaven?
Yeah, Made in Heaven.
Made in Heaven, I think उसमें भी Trinetra is there, I think. Yeah.
Her character.
I mean,
Trinetra is doing like very good in web series also. Like Made in Heaven, then Kaan Khajura.
There are so many people out there who are using the platform in a right way, in a way that benefits not just them, people around them as well. And by people around them, I mean the community as well. And one of them is Trinetra. I think they're doing an amazing job, amazing human being as well. I'm assuming.
And Rani Kohinoor.
Yes, Rani Kohinoor. Yes.
Rani
also, actually first drag queen.
Yes. And I grew up watching Lakshmi Narayan Tripathi, and I still follow them. She's like my goddess. And a few months ago or last year, I read this article how Rakhi Sawant made me comfortable with my queerness. When I read that article, and I don't know if you guys know, Madhu knows, I'm a huge Rakhi Sawant and Himesh Reshamya fan.
Yeah, I know.
Like flamboyant personalities, don't give a flying fuck क्या हो रहा है, तुम जाओ, मैं किसी बाप से नहीं डरता है डरती है. It's like that. And I was like कि भाई ये तो तगड़ा मामला है. क्वेश्चन राखी सावंत का जब वो पहला वो सॉन्ग आया था परदेसिया, ये सच है, तभी से I was like, I like this woman and I'm crazy about her. And तब से I've been like, since reading that article, I've been like, you know what, I should be like her. She's so comfortable with herself. She's so like, she doesn't give a fuck. तुम उसकी इंसल्ट करो, वो तुम्हारी डबल इंसल्ट करेगी. तुम उनके उसके काम की बेइज्जती करो, वो तुम्हारी एग्जिस्टेंस की बेइज्जती करेगी. सिंपल इज दैट. तो वो ईंट का जवाब पत्थर से नहीं, वो सीधा अंबुजा सीमेंट की बिल्डिंग से करती है. तो like I would say my favorite icon I would say is Rakhi Sawant. I mean, sure, there are issues with her as well. She said some very weird things as well and very derogatory things as well. But yeah, I mean, when it comes to the confidence, the acceptance of who you are, I think she is just amazing. Like in terms of how you should accept yourself. And it's not just for the LGBTQI community. I think it goes for straight women as well.
Yeah.
Straight guys as well. I mean, guys, I don't know उनके पास confidence कहाँ से आता है.
Well, if lesbians ruled the world, what would have been the first law that would have been passed?
Wage gap. सबसे पहले उसको एड्रेस करेंगे, भैया we deserve the money, we need that money. ठीक है. सबसे पहला तो वो होगा. Same sex marriage. Second वो.
I think जिसको जैसे रहना है वो वैसे रह सकेगा फ्रीली विदाउट एनी जजमेंट. और बेशक किसी को भी कैसे भी रहना है, कम्युनिटी हो या कैसे भी हो. तो आई थिंक सबसे बड़ा चेंज ये आएगा. और मेल ईगो से वॉर्स नहीं होंगे फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल.
And also on a very serious note, I think I told you, I don't know if you guys know, I was essayed as a child for like 12 years. I want a sex offender list. सबसे पहले वो introduce करूंगी for pedophiles, for all men or anybody who have essayed anybody. I want that in this country. It is extremely important to have a sex offenders list. So yeah, I think ये मैं सबसे पहले introduce करूंगी. for anyone, whether it's for a woman's safety, a child safety, a man's safety, even anybody, like not just the genders, the non-binary people as well. So yeah, I think ये चीजें serious note पे मैं ये जरूर डालना चाहूंगी.
So happy because इतना सारा कुछ I have learned na in this conversation. But about these two movies, I had known the names, so but I didn't know that actually the two
Yeah,
movies that you guys recommended. So many new
yeah,
things. हमें बहुत
yeah.
कुछ आपने enlighten किया है आज आकर यहाँ हमारे हवेली पे.
फिर खुश रहो, खुश रहो. You're welcome. So yeah, if you ever get a chance to be in Bangalore, I don't know whether they do sell these things online or not, but ये मैंने Bangalore में ना वो लगता है माया बाजार. Maya Bazaar is it's an event for all the queer folks, queer business owners and all that.
Oh,
Yes,
my God.
yes.
Where, like, is it a specific time? Is it like a fest or is it a specific
Yeah,
location?
it's a 2 or 3 day fest, Maya Bazaar. And there are so many queer business owners who like put their stalls up and they sell their products. It's like amazing, bloody amazing. Like तुम लोग अगर वहां आओगे ना, like तुमको शर्म आएगी. How the like मैं क्या हूँ और ये क्या है? रो ना दो मेरा नाम बता. Just kidding. But yeah, you guys should definitely go to these events where, you know, there's queer space, queer people out there.
It was great talking to you guys. I just loved this conversation. So enriching. Just loved talking to you guys. Loved it.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
And that's a wrap on this Pride edition. A big thanks to our friends for showing up with all the love, laughs, and truth. Stay proud, stay kind. We'll be back soon. Same vibe, just a little bit gayer. For now, this is Charvi and Smriti signing off. Until next time.